Hello friends, I am Surya Prakash. In this video, we are going to learn how to save our game data. So let's start. So what you have to do here is you have to create a class first. Click on this button and type save game, this one, and just create this class. I am just going to name it my save game. So let's create this one. So when it is done, you see something like this. You get a header file and a CPP file. So now we are going to create one more class over here, and we are going to just have a actor over here because this script actually is going to do nothing. It is just going to have a simple code, so we can also leave this name over here. We are going to create it. So here you can see that you have got that class, also a header file and a CPP file. So now what we here going to do is we are going to just create a simple blueprint of this my actor class. I'm just going to call it my actor BP, and I'm just going to save it in our content folder. And now I'm going to just place it in our scene. So what I have done here is in our save game script, I have just taken a simple f string variable over here. If you want to have more variables, like if you want to store also integer data, float data, then just like this you can create other variables also. So now let's see what you have to do if you want to save your data. So let's come back to our CPP class over here. So let's see what you have to do if you want to save your game data. So what you will have to do first over here is you will have to include these two things over here. First one is our my save game class, and the second one is gameplay statics. So now let's see the saving code for code to save data. If you want to save data, then in begin play I'm going to paste this code. So what you do have to do here is you have to just create a simple instance of this save game class, and then you can access a variable of this class. In this class I have only one variable. If you have more than one variable, then directly you can access like this, and I've just given it a simple text like player 1. And now if you want to save your data, then you will have to actually pass these three parameters over here. First one is this instance variable, and the second one is you have to actually give here a slot name. I am just going to give it a simple name called save slot name, and the third parameter is user index, which is I'm just going to simply write it 0. And now if it is done, like if slot is saved, then it will just simple print this message data saved. So let's see if it works or not. So we will have to compile it first. So now if I press play over here, then you will see that here you have this warning data saved, which is actually this one, which is we have done over here. So let's see how we can load data when you have saved your data. So let's see that. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to comment this data, because now we don't need this data. So I have just commented this data. So now if you want to load data, then what you will have to do. So let's see this. So if you want to load data, then simply just this line of code you have to write. Again, I have just created an instance of this class, and the difference in this code is just simple like this. Here you are going to save game object, you are going to create save game object, and here you are going to load that object. So, and parameter here you have to pass here is first one is slot name, which is this one. You have to write the same name over here, and the index is 0 here, so you have to pass the same string over here. And now it is, if it is successful, then it will come in. And if you want to access your data, then just simply like other string you access, you can access this like here. So let's check if it works or not. So first I will have to build it. So it is compiled now. If we go back to our Unreal Engine, so now if we just press play over here, then here you can see that we have got our data over here, which is uh, this one. If you remember, then we just saved simple data over here like player 1. So when we loaded this data, we got this text. So this is all from my side, friends. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you.